the first day I went in there, and I brought my entire family.
I brought my mommy to mine.
Like literally, like my 2 sisters, my dad, my mom, and my boyfriend all cramped in Yvonne's
little office.
little office room. And she put on your video on the big screen there. And
oh God, the big screen, my face.
That's what I was. I was actually like so comforted by your video, and it was everything I needed to see.
Yeah.
Like maybe if I had seen that like ahead of time.
If I had seen that ahead of time, I would have swapped earlier. I didn't know what I was getting myself into.
I would have had much more confidence going in because I was like ready to just, if someone poked me, I would have started crying.
Oh, I'm sorry.
So I was like, I'm saying before the video I saw, like you could have poked me, I would have started bawling my face off because I was just not ready for it. And it was because Joe and I were going on our Europe trip, and he was like, you know, maybe it's time
for you to do this.
Because it happened, my accident happened in August, and then the following June.
Oh my God.
Is when I got it.
Wow.
So I spent that whole winter with nothing.
Yeah.
But it was him, and he was the one who told me, like, okay, well, maybe it's time that we look into something because you're going to be 100% more comfortable traveling and swimming and everything with one, because I'm not, if we're in Italy with our couple of friends, I'm not going to want to just go swimming. I'm not going to be interested in whipping the tooth off.
And did you go swimming?
And I did.
Yeah, you did.
Yeah. But your video is literally what sold me immediately.